Hello everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to customize Shopify product images for mobile. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So this is pretty easy. Now what do we need to do is to customize Shopify product images for mobile is head over to your online store and make sure you are in the web editor panel or section. So currently we are jumping towards that. Click on customize, and here what you need to do is you can see we have visit product and all that stuff. Now you are gonna simply either visit the product or simply adjust your mobile view, and simply you're gonna be optimizing your Shopify product images. So you can see we can now customize it for mobile. So that's how simple it is. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.